everybody.
Hello, it's Ben and Christina here. We are back at the house. Let me turn it so you guys, here, let me turn the camera so you guys can see the progress of the house so far. Looks like the foundation is poured. Walls should be going up soon. It's exciting. But we are here today to announce the winner of the early bird drawing. So here, let me move this way. Okay, so the winner is Ann Barnman. Ticket number 202 was the winner.
Now, this is not the grand prize, remember. The grand prize, which is the house, will be, we will know that on the 24th. So we still got plenty of time to get your tickets of a beautiful house, or a beautiful foundation, I guess I should say. So remember to get your tickets. You got plenty of time.
All right, till next time. Bye, guys.